Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are doing tonight an unboxing, a break of Marvel HeroClix Collector's Trove. Let me fix my earphones. Masyado malakas. Okay. So, uh, hello. Yeah. Okay. So we are, as I said, we're backtracking one set. Okay. Spider-Verse is the latest set, but what we have is the previous set, which is much more, which is better, I think, for our participants because the list filled up fairly quickly. Okay. So we have here Angelito and Angelito for booster one. Okay. Angelo is present here. Pete 1 and 2 is Angelito. Pete has 3 and 4. Okay. Yours truly, Jasper, number 5. Larry is 6. 7 and 8 is back to Angelito. Heinz, 9. Leoj, 10. Chito is here. He has the 11th. And of course, Pete. Okay. For wrapping it up with number 12. Okay. So, as always, we're going to randomize the list. Okay. And that the person who will get 1 to 6 will get the slot from the back of the brick, left to right, and then 7 to 12 will be the front of the brick, left to right also. Okay, so we have 12 boosters for for this set, and we also have 3 bounties that we hope to possibly get. Nawala si Angelito. The first bounty A, is Beta Ray Bill, okay, which is the AIM set. If you get a battery bill in your booster, then you also get this loot. Bounty B is Ronan the Accuser. Okay, the bugs, okay, including super rare Ant-Man. And then Bounty C is Juggernaut. Okay, so which is cosmic. Okay, hindi ko na sinama si Ronan dito kasi doble-doble kung may Ronan na sa Bounty. So, disclaimer, again, the Ronan here does not have the equipment. It's just the figure. Okay, so Juggernaut, if you get Juggernaut, you get these figures. Okay, and because this set has a God Pack and an Ultra Chase, if you get the God Pack or the Ultra Chase, then you get the Bounty Dinosaur. Okay, so Dinosaur from the Masters of Time. Okay, sige. So again, please keep yourself muted if ever. Okay, and participate in the chat. So, but for now, we're going to randomize the list. Okay, but stop share. By the way, this is the break. Okay, I'll put it here. Oops, left to right pala. There you go. Okay, and then let me share once again the screen. Oh, sharing it. So this is the list of participants. Oh, again, pasok na kayo guys, yung iba. If And then let's roll how many times it will be randomized. 7 times, 2 and 5. So this should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So please take note of your place. I'm also gonna copy paste it in the PowerPoint. Don't worry, I'll be keeping track naman of who got what. Okay, so sharing the revised list. Okay, so number 1 is Pete. Not yet here. 2 is Leoj. Larry, Pete, Angelito, Jasper, Angelito, Chito, Pete, Heinz, and Angelito. Okay. So good luck to everyone. And of course, at the end of the break, we're going to raffle off the legacy card. Okay. Let me stop my screen. Make sure that you see my... Ano nangyari? Nawala yung isang camera. Repeat. Teka lang. Wala yung ating Zoom. There you go. Mm. This should be open cam. Mhm. There you go. So that's our brick. Oops. Stable. Pinatayuan ko ng gamit. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna remove the next card. This has to be ano pala. Spotlight for everyone. Okay, so you should be seeing the big screen. On the big screen, the legacy card. Okay. So 2002 to 2024. Actually, this set, why is it 2024? Was this set released 20, siguro last part of 2024. Okay. Anyway, so and this is our sealed brick. Pinigit up. So we hope to get, oops, any of the super rare bounties. And of course, we're praying for a God pack. Wala pa tayo nagkukuha ng God pack sa, wala pa, no? Wala pa tayo nakuha ng God pack sa Pinas. Baka ito na yun. Kung tumayo yung camera. Ito tumayo ng tripod eh. Sorry, sorry. Ayaw. Ano ba? Ayaw. Ay, mag-cooperate. Naantok na siya. Kaya lang, pasensya. Op, op, op. Pitin ko na lang ng legs. Okay, so medyo shaky yung camera natin kasi nasa legs lang siya. Okay. There you go. So medyo shaky siya at times. Number. Okay. Back row, left to right. We are going to begin with Pete. Pete, this is for you, wherever you are. This is your first of 3 boosters. Pete, i-chat ba? Makita ko may nag-chat lang. You can turn on your audio. Hello. I hope I'm audible. Pete, this is for you. We have Kree Accuser. We have a Wasp. We have a White Widow. We have a Kree Soldier. And a Grizzly Bear. Rare Grizzly. We have to check the ano pala, the one-shots for this set. All the boosters have a one-shot. So please, and you have the Time Gem one-shot. Okay. So Grizzly is our first booster. And this is Pit. Pit 1 of 3. Okay. Next one is Joel Leodge. So he was our big winner in the Spider-Verse. Let's see if there's a streak. Leodge. Uy, bubble wrap. Always a good thing. Bubble wrap. Let's see. We have the equipment. This is Namor, Serpent Crown. Serpent Crown of Namor. And this would mean it's Gamora, the Prime, Super Rare Prime, Namor, or Joel. Streak na to. Congrats, Joel. Another good hit. Super Rare Prime, Namor. Okay. So, hindi lang SR, Super Rare Prime. Iron Man and Kree Accuser. hanapin dito si Serpent Crown actually. Yung figure okay din, malakas siya sa water terrain. Okay. Congratulations. Maganda yan actually. Hanap ko din yan. X-Men Namor. Okay, let's see kung ano ang iyong one shot. You have the Mind Gem. Okay. Ay, dalawa. Mind Gem and Occult Retribution. Okay. And of course, that super rare prime 11 clicks of goodness. Okay. Serpent Crown. Okay. Gives mind control and willpower. Okay. When this character uses mind control, pwede mag-close or range yung mind control. So good. SR Prime and a rare Ina Booster. Congrats, Leodge. Alam mo na, sali ka ulit ha. Para dire-diretso ang streak. Leodge. Okay. Booster number 3 is Larry. Larry, are you here? La. Okay. Let's see what we have. Larry, you have Adaptoid. You have Mantis. Oh, Bubble Wrap. There's a Bubble Wrap here. Drax Rare. And Ronan the Accuser. Our second SR is Ronan the Accuser. And this is one of our bounty figures. So congratulations, Larry. You get our bounty. I think this is the bugs. The bugs bounty. Yeah. You get the Ant-Man, Giant Man, Wasp, and a couple of swarm of ants. Okay. And of course, the ever useful universal weapon. Okay, let's check the cards. What is your... Ito. Occult Retribution is your one shot. But let's check kung merong pangalawa. O, dalawa nga. Diabolic Bargain. Okay. And Occult Retribution. And the cards are all here. Congratulations, Larry. Ano bang na-hate mo last time? Parang hindi masyadong okay. But this one is okay. Your hit for tonight. Okay, so we have 2 super rares. Hopefully we get one more. Okay. And possibly another rare, another prime. Okay, kasi rare, super rare prime kasi nakuha natin. Okay. Booster number 4 is Pete. This is your second of 3 boosters, Pete. Let's see what you got. You have a swarm of ants, speaking. You have a white widow. You have a cosmic rider. That's the rare. Natanong ni Conrad yung link. Hindi ko na yung link We have Nebula and common Thanos. Okay, so let's check the... Copy ko na kay Conrad yung link. Kaya kasi Conrad eh. Teka lang, Pete. Copy ko lang kay Conrad. Wala kasi yung watcher natin eh. Wala yung election watcher eh. Okay. There you go. Sorry for that. Oops. Okay, let's go back to you, Pete. One shot of Pete. Oops, sorry. As I said, pasensya. Hello, Conrad. You're here. Wala akong naririnig sa inyo. Hello, hello. Nataka nga, Conrad. Parang wala akong marinig. 30 daw ni Joel eh. Oo, nakuha niya yung super rare prime. Namor.
Anong kanta? I mean, hindi pwedeng kumanta, no?
Okay, okay. Super rare prime.
Oo.
Pwede,
Masisira yung chatroom natin pag kumanta ako.
salita lang, salita. Soul Gem ang one shot ni Pete. Okay, for the boost, for this booster. Okay. Si Larry SR Ronan. Okay, so this is Pete, 2 of 3. Okay, si Joel ha, matikas. Okay, next one is, di makasali si Pete. Pang ano na to? Pang apat. Okay, pang lima is Angelito. Okay. Ay, parang medyo mabigat to. Parang may weight to. Tingnan natin. Angelito, this is your first ba? First out of 4. Okay. See, we have Groot. We have, what you call this? Cosmo, parang Guardians We have Star-Lord, ang Guardians of the Galaxy We have Rocket Raccoon and another Groot, Guardians of the Galaxy pack with a rare Groot. Okay. Let's see the one shot for this one. Maganda yung Groot na yan actually. One shot is To Me, My Hammer. Okay. Groot. So booster number 1 of 4 for Angelito. Uy, tama, mahilig sa halaman si Angelo. Angel, 1 of 4. Okay. Next is yours truly, number 6. Wow. Let's see what we have. Cyrus. Hello, Cyrus. Good evening. Booster number 6. Just keep it, quiet lang. Baka we hear something that we're not supposed to hear. Okay, number 6 is for yours truly. We have the collector, the ultra chase. It's the common. We have a swarm of ants. We have Monica Rappuccini. Si Cheetah wala pa. We have Guilds, Thieves Guilds Assassin, and Rare Winter Soldier. Ba yan? Winter Soldier na naman. Pang-apat ko na atang Winter Soldier yan. Lalamigin na ako niyan. Oy, Ants. Dips na yan, Conrad. Ants. And my one shot is I must have it. I already have this. So I don't need to have it. So this is for me. Booster number. I have 2. I have 3. I must have it. Jasper. Booster number 6. Okay, so we're done with the first half. So far, we pulled 2 super rare. And a super rare, one of the super rare is a super rare prime. And we got the bounty B, Ronan the Accuser for Larry. Okay. So next in line will be the 7 to 8. Okay, so Angelito, Cheetah, Pete, Hines, Angelito. So let's see. So nasa harapan ang possible chase. Wala pa tayong chase na lumalabas. Stop share. Ready. Again. Saan na yan? Saan na yan? Ano ba? Hindi ko makita. Nakaharang kasi yung break Stop share. There you go. Larry for sale, Ronan. Tanungin mo na lang si Larry. Okay, next up, we have the next 2 is Angelito, 7 and 8, Angelito. So we'll do it together na. 7, 8, Angelito. Wala nga. Yan. Okay. 7 and 8, Angelito. Uy, okay to. Yan natin. Yan naman ako sa okay. Angelito, you have for booster number 7, the collector. Oh, bubble wrap I see a bubble wrap. Okay. Ay, ano? Kree soldier lang pala. Ay, ano, Chase? It's a Chase Doom. Chase Doom. Angelito. You got the Chase Doom Darkhold. Doom. Darkhold. Congratulations, Angelito. It's a Chase. Okay, let's see what you have. for your one shots. Okay. By the way, it is a dog, free soldier, and accuser. Okay. Certainly Howard ko talaga. I must have it. Okay. And then Doctor Doom, Unparalleled Ego. Okay. And all the cards are here. So just one shot. Ganda. Maganda spell namin. Siyempre, Doctor Doom yan. Ginagandaan talaga nila yan. Okay. Tingnan na natin. Okay. Doctor Doom. Congrats. Angelito. Second booster out of 4. Okay. Angel. 2 out of 4. Kahit wala card, sabi ni Mr. T. Maganda may card. This is Angelito once again. You have Iron Man Sentry. Sino yung pumasok? Wala na. Gamora. Kree Soldier. Adaptoid. And Rare Iron Man. Pangalawang Rare Iron Man natin yan. Yung isa kay Joel together with the Super Rare Prime.
Applauded by the stars. Big Mantilla.
Larry, make sure na quiet. Shield throw. Sure one shot. Angelito. Larry, ang nakuha mo is Ronan the Accuser. Super rare. Yung may universal weapon.
Wow, thank you.
Tapos ano yung bounty yon? So nakakuha ka ng bounty. Angel.
Wow, thank you.
Ang chase si Angelo with Doom.
Wow, swerte naman.
Tapos Super Rare Prime si Joel Namor. Pete, nandito ka na rin pala. Pete, welcome. Number 9
So-
is Tito.
So ako yung kawawa ngayon pala.
Hindi pa natin alam, may isa pang SR. Tingnan natin.
Wala na, tangina nakuha. So, SR Prime tsaka ano pa puta.
Ronan the Accuser. This is Chito. Let's see. Number 9. We have Gamora. Uy! Another chase! Uy! Godpack to Chito! Chito, Godpack to! Godpack Thanos. Black Panther.
Kanino yan?
Si Chito.
Chito.
Deadpool.
Ah,
Chito.
Ay, Chito, by the Chito.
And
Chito yung usapan natin ha.
Tsaka
By the way,
Chito,
Wow,
ah.
Chito, congrats.
Chito yung usapan ha, Chito ha.
Godpack.
Ako na bahala sa'yo dyan, Chito.
Tapos
Chito,
panalo-
ako na bahala sa'yo dyan, Chito.
Panalo ka na.
Dapat pala, binili ko na yung brick mo eh.
Sabi sa'yo, may Godpack May bounty ka
Grabe.
dinosaur.
So
Dinosaur.
ako talaga ang lucky loser nitong break na to.
Hindi naman.
Shit.
Ano lang. Very, very lucky. We have a very... So you have the
Wala.
Godpack bounty. Tito, congrats. You
And
have the dinosaur.
Grabe, my God.
Uy, Godpack. Oh
Yes,
my
and
God.
we're going to acknowledge the following VIPs.
Oh my God, Godpack. Congrats, Chito. Congrats. Si Chito ba may nabunot na? Ayan na, yan na. Best brick ever. Okay.
Wala na. Patiwarik na ako. Last break ever ko na to. Okay.
Grabe, ang ganda ng brick. Meron pang SR Prime Namor, tapos may, tawag doon? Meron pang chase na Doctor Doom.
May Godpack pa.
Godpack pa. Loki, Reality Gem, Gamora, Thanos, Deadpool, Space Gem, and
Grabe. Black Panther.
Yes.
Wala na. Wala na, boy.
Pilit na congrats. Okay. Alam ko, Conrad, sa'yo dapat yung slot ni Chito eh. Inaano na naman si Conrad.
Hindi masama loob ni Conrad dyan.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Okay, so this is Chito. Congrats, Chito.
Ang masama ang loob ako, putang ina.
Tagumpay.
Pinakamasama ang loob.
Hindi, swertihan lang naman yan palagi. Chito. Okay. Malay mo, sa lantern ka babawi. Or sa
Grabe,
Ina,
isa lang,
ina.
isa lang kinuha ni Chito, naka-God pack. Wala talagang Diyos.
Di ba? Isa lang na
Pete,
isa lang
for
nakuha
you.
ni Joel, naka SR Prime, tang ina, wala talaga
Galing.
wala talagang Diyos, puro demonyo. Grabe.
Hindi,
Puro-
si Chito lang demonyo. Si Chito lang.
Pag ganito kasi, huwag kang magdadasal sa Diyos, sa demonyo ka magdadasal.
Dahil si Chito, alam mo naman, siya yung demonyo eh. Hindi na
Ano ka
kailangan
ba?
magdasal yun.
Papi, this is for
Ano
you.
ka ba?
Booster
Wala
number
na yan,
10.
tang ina. Tapon mo
Uy,
sa basurahan.
ano? Bubble wrap.
Pero-
Tingnan mo. Baka mamaya, maganda
Uy.
pa to.
Baka swarm of ants. Mga
Reset.
rami.
Juggernaut, Pete. Juggernaut.
Okay.
Uy.
Okay na.
Rare.
O sige.
SR?
Juggernaut.
SR, congrats Pete. You're the
Okay.
best.
Uy,
Bakit
kanina
na?
yan.
Okay na ako.
Okay.
Sige.
Uy,
Okay
meron
na.
ka ng break na rin. May Juggernaut pa.
Alam mo, I'm so happy for you.
Nice speech.
Okay. Thank you.
Ang
Congrats.
ganda ng break.
Kanina yan.
Kay Pete, kay
Bakit?
Pete. Oh, Pete ha, bumawi tayo ha. Baka sabihin mo.
Oh, sige. Sige na. Sige
Ano
na.
siya?
Dapat pala, binili ko na yung brick.
Oo, dapat, Larry.
Yung Juggernaut na
Mura
to.
lang.
Yung
Kailangan mo
Juggernaut,
lang pala magmura, Pete.
yung Juggernaut na to, Pete, bounty yan. So you'll get this.
Oo. Uy, in English ka, Pete. Baka hindi maintindihan. Pakitagalog.
Thank you.
Oo. Pero yung,
Vincent Gacons.
yung Ronan display,
Galing.
wala siya.
Ay,
Wala siya.
Yun ang congrats din ko si Pete kasi yun yung tatay ng demonyo. Pero anyway, congrats Pete. You're the
Hindi
best.
naman ako mag-aalangan doon. Oo, tatay talaga ako ng demonyo.
Okay, ayan Pete ha. Kailangan lang pala mag-grant ng onti eh.
Kailangan na magmura. Sana nga mumurahin ko si Chito. Naka-God pack. Ginad pack niya.
Ang ganda ng break.
Basta pag-
Grabe. God
Oo,
Pack,
grabe.
SR
Sino
Prime.
mag-aakala?
Ba?
Tignan nyo nga, hindi na nagsasalita si Chito. Baka inatak.
Oh,
Chito, buhay ka pa ba? Uy.
Mabigat
Pare.
yung ano eh. Mabigat yung brick eh.
Okay, hindi, okay na yun. First dibs ako doon sa God pack na yun eh.
Okay.
Tama. Oh.
Tignan natin
I-God
ang
pack
one
So,
mo.
so wala na. Ano na yan. Ano ko na yan. Gagarahin ko na yung God pack na yan.
Dalawa
Igarahin mo na si Chito. Igarahin mo si Chito.
dalawa yung one shot mo. Diabolic and Mind.
Uy, dalawa pang,
Oh, tapos,
dalawang ka.
Nice one.
eh, Juggernaut
So,
parang,
two shots.
parang chase din to.
So,
Oo nga,
two shots
kaya nga.
yan.
Hindi
Di
nga ako
one shot.
magreklamo dyan. Okay na ako dyan.
Reklamo dyan, chase
Oh,
na
so,
yan.
okay na yan
maganda
kahit
pa sa
wala kang jagger duck ko. Grabe.
Mas maganda pa sa ibang chase to.
The best is not the worst. Grabe.
Yeah.
Uy, si Chito hindi nagsasalita, pre.
Gogo.
Ikaw sa Chito.
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 Pare. Pare.
Chita, ay, PNM na kita Chita, by the way.
Chito.
Pare.
May PM na ako si Chita.
Chito, atin ka ba sa kasal ni Joel? Chito. Uy.
Number 11 is Heinz. Teka lang, tapusin pa natin guys. Meron pa tayong raffle. Ano ba?
Ay, hindi. Kailangan may mag-grant dyan para makakuha pa ng SR na isa.
Ay, si Heinz. Sino
Magmura ka, Pete. Magmura ka, Pete. SR yan.
Iron
Yan.
Man Sentry.
Pang ilang booster ko na ba yan?
Pangatlo na.
Ay, yung Juggernaut na kata na yun.
Oo.
Hindi, pang-apat kasi si Chito sa iyo.
Ant-Man and Thanos. Okay, Heinz, Thanos.
Uy. Bet. Get this, Mitch. Teka lang. Mag-mute muna ako. Okay.
Team Particles, Heinz, one shot. That's a good one shot. Grabe itong brick na to. Ayun na. Inoffer ko pa naman kay Larry to. Alam ko, Larry,
Okay
inoffer.
Oo
na
nga.
ako. Okay na ako doon sa Juggernaut. Okay na ako doon. Tanggap ka na yun. Okay na ako.
This is Heinz.
Pero yung yung God pack, ano ako na yun.
Tempted
Nakaano na
din
yun sa
ako.
akin.
Tempted din ako buksan to kasi nga naghahanap din ako ng Juggernaut eh. But, buti ka pa. Angelito, this for you. Last 4 out of last booster. Okay, congrats guys. Ang galing. Ganda ng ganda ng break. Okay, we have Groot, Rocket, Thieves Guild, Giant Man, and Gambit. And the rare then the one shot is Groot uli. Groot na maliit. Team Particles. Okay. No worry, I'll take naman a picture of your loots together with your bounty. So we hit 3 bounties today.
Tumama lahat, ha?
Ronan, Juggernaut, tsaka yung God Pack na dinosaur kay Chito. Okay, so this is Angelito. Angel 4 out of 4. Okay, so tingnan natin yung ating legacy card. Kung sino makakakuha. Grabe. Grabe. Okay, how many times?
Sana naman dyan ako maswerte. But anyway, okay na ako sa Juggernaut.
Again, 4. So dapat this will become 11 times. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and Angelito, you get the legacy. Let's see kung anong legacy card. Ang ganda talaga ng collector's room. Grabe. Okay, we have Captain Marvel legacy card. Okay.
Oy, Angelito, ako bibilin ko sa iyo yan.
So, again, I'll stop my spotlight. So, thank you once again for joining this awesome break. We have a Chase, a Gadpack,
Kanina yung legacy.
kay Angelito.
Bibilin ko rin. yung
Congrats.
Angelito.
And
So, again, I'll take a picture. Kung meron kayong buy and sale, just mention it to me so I can swap figures. Okay, and just to invite you guys, Saturday games, alphabet soup format. Choose a letter in the alphabet and all your main force, sideline, everything in your force should start on your chosen letter. Okay, so hope to see
S,
you guys.
puro Superman.
Puro Superman, Spider-Man, puro S talaga, no? B, pwede, puro Batman. So, good luck guys on the team building and thank you, congratulations to our big winners. Stop ko lang yung recording.
Thank you, Jasper.